So I'm missing one lid. Yeah, it looks like I'm missing a lid. It could be on the other side also, maybe. Yeah, it looks like I'm missing a lid. Oh no, they're all here. One, two, okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, there's only 4 lids here. 5 containers, 4 lids. And then the other extra lid I have is in the alley. So I'm good, okay. Of course, you can see all the crap that I left on the top here. I have to clean all this. And that's basically it. So no, nothing major. And of course, if you walk over here, you can see the 4-element Yagi. I thought it was good, but it held up. I'm looking at it now. It looks like it held up. There's no damage to it. So we're all good in the internal department. And like I said, the end fed is still intact. It's still there. The wire is still there. I just got to reconnect it to the end fed, secure it, and then I'm good to go with that, okay? So I just wanted to make this video and let people know that we're okay here. It looks like another tree might have... Well, that tree's been down, the one up there. No, that one, the one all the way up there looked like it fell last night. The long, straight one up there. And the other ones, these fallen recently. And I don't see any other new trees that might have fell. So, yeah. So, anyway, there we go. We're good. We're good. But let me tell you something. It was scary. It was very scary that I never seen those trees. And I'll show you the tree that I'm talking about in question. Let me get over here so I can get a shot of it. That tree right there. That big tree. I never seen that tree shake so violently as I saw last night. That's the tree that I worry about. That if that tree would have snapped, if a major part of that tree would have come down this way, it would do some serious damage to this house and to this property. And God forbid, you know, anybody that's out here, we're talking about, you know, look how big this tree is. This thing will kill anybody that it falls on. So that's what I worry about. I worry about this tree. All the trees are fine, but if they're further out, it's just this couple of trees right here. It's really one and the two. The third one is behind it, but this one is the main one that I really worry about when we have this type of violent storm. And of course, the power outage also was my concern. Okay? So there you go. So anyway, no worries. We all good here. So anyway, thank you for watching.